Okay. We got... This is our 300-day anniversary. So we thought, because we were very busy today, that we should have a nice late night snack. So we got Buldak Bokkeumyeon
with corn cheese.
With corn cheese. So we got some corn kernels here and some mozzarella cheese. Also, for some dessert, there's always room for dessert. We got choc chunk brownies. Her favorite, she likes brownies. And we also got some eggs, because you need eggs for this. You need eggs for this. And there's an egg shortage. So we bought a lot of eggs. We have a second one too.
And what are we doing? What are we making first?
First, we're making the brownies, because while it's cooking, baking, ovening, air frying, we will be making the other stuff. Because it doesn't take as long. And then when we're done mogoing our Buldak Bokkeumyeon and our corn cheese, we can have brownies after, and it's great. What's the measurement for water on it again?
Okay, we need 20 milliliters of water.
That's nothing.
Okay, we need 100 grams of melted butter. 5 what? Tablespoons.
What?
Wait, 100 grams is this much. Okay.
Oh.
That's easy. I'm gonna melt this.
Melt this,
butter.
microwave it. I'll put this back in the fridge.
Wooden spoon.
Wooden spoon.
And can you put the mix into the...
Do you want to tie your hair up? I'll find... Smell it. I haven't smelled it yet.
Ooh, chocolatey. Oh, my belly's too fat. Oh my
No,
God.
it's not!
No, it looks fat in the...
No, it doesn't!
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't! No, it doesn't. And it looks even better in person. Believe me. This is so judging though. Like, it's just stuck in corners. You think? You look good. Too good. Better than the brownies. Ah! Mix. Place. It says preheat the oven. We haven't done that yet, have we?
Oh, it's just
160. We'll bake for 30 to 35 minutes.
Do you want to mix this now?
Yeah, I can.
This is what it looks like.
Before. Can I start recording your face instead of the
No.
mixing? Aww. Yeah, do you want to do that quickly?
What up? Look.
Oh, it does look good. Wait, how did you do that? I missed out. Wow. I'm gonna miss out on parts. Oh, Chocolate. Where does it say wooden spoon
Tell
on
us.
this? Yes,
Poop.
but oh,
Poop.
oh,
Does this
Don't-
look like your poop?
mine's like oh,
Okay, no.
Mine-
No. Thank you, arigato.
no problem.
It looks 30 minutes in. Okay.
But wow, wow.
Sugar, mayonnaise, cheese, corn. Put the whole thing in, and then we need 2 spoons of
Should we record from this
mayonnaise,
angle?
a spoon of sugar.
Nice. Do what they do in makeup things where they go like that. I did that with the mixture before. Oh, wow. Oh. They can't see what this much means. Just a jokum bit.
Jokum bit.
Do you leave? We're not going to leave it in the pan, right?
No.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh, yeah. How are brownies going? 17 minutes. Oh, no way. This is going to be crazy. Oh, yeah.
like that. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
That looks good.
That is nice.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, my hand stings.
From?
The high five.
That was bad. What did you make? Okay, we have the melon beaters.
The melon beaters. Don't look at me like that. Is it more aesthetic to have the spoon on? Whoa. Whoa. This looks so cool. Why is some of my bit is pink though?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
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 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
It's gonna be spicy. I'm scared.
It's okay. That's all we have a drink for. It's like too hot. Mmm.
Okay.
It's not too spicy either.
Mm.
That thing. It's good ratio. Whoa.
Hmm?
Yeah, nice. Happy 300 days.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm.
It's not too spicy.
Yeah, this is like chill. I think we can add more if you wanted to.
No. I said it's not too spicy.
Oh, it's not spicy.
It is spicy.
It is spicy. Mild ding ding.
Who wanna watch this? It's so boring. It's just us cooking.
Me?
Eating.
Me?
Why?
Cause you're in it?
I need another sip. The brownie smells really good.
Mm. Do you wanna bring the thing on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look away from it.
Ooh,
Ooh.
it looks good. Yeah,
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, good job.
I'll take it out.
Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, that's how that works. Drink here?
I'm ready. Are you able to finish this?
Probably. Yeah.
Are you full?
Are you full?
Yeah, I am.
How? Why are you calling me so fat? Every time I eat this, you're like, I'm full. And I'm like, you're full?
No, because it's so spicy. I'm drinking the air as well. Mellow.
My nose is about to leak.
Why? What happened?
I laughed. I'm like,
What happened?
spicy. Was it mewa or bewa?
Mellow.
Mewa.
That is funny. If I want to go to the toilet when I'm working, that's great. I'm not going to the toilet.
I've gone to the toilet multiple times while at my work.
To poop?
Yeah.
Really?
Uh-huh.
You didn't tell me? I don't really go unless I really need to.
That's fair enough.
Like, if I'm dying. Like, my ass, no, my butthole is...
Yeah.
Like, if my butthole is burning, I go...
Okay. Thank you.
Do you hate
No,
me
of
now?
course I don't, baby.
Do you think I'm gross and disgusting and everything?
No, I think you are my everything, but I don't think you're everything in the context that you just used it. There's a lot of corn in here. Scoop a bunch of corn into my bowl.
Scoop,
Thank you.
scoop, scoop, scoop.
Mountain of corn.
Do you see it?
It looks moist. Your hand's cute.
Nice.
Nice. Oh, wow.
Very
Good.
sweet.
Sweet. You're very sweet.
Wait, is this milk expired?
Give me sangu.
Give me some.
Tastes like milk.
Why is it so sweet?
Everything is really sweet right now. 300 days. Everything is so sweet.
Weird. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Are you done yet? Are you done? Are you done? Looks good.
Oh, it smells good.
Jan.
Dang.
It's so sweet.
It's yeah. The after it, you're like, oh.
Oh my gosh. It's too sweet. 엄마.
엄마, 안 먹어.
아니,
what?
드세요.
주세요.
드세요.
주세요.
드세요.
주세요. Is a nice formal way of saying 먹어. Not 먹어.
먹어 is eat.
What was it again?
드세요.
주세요. The milk, but you gotta have some in your mouth and then drink it. Is that what you were doing?
It's good. It's like chocolate milk.
I'm joking, but just pour milk in this. Relax. Are we gonna eat this entire thing? Sure.
No.
Why not? You call me fat again. You just
You're
have
gonna
this
die. We finished all this. I think we should stop. We had to.
We stop after like here.
No.
I'm not done. I'm not done. Are
One
you
more
done?
and done, yeah.
How?
It's too sweet.
But it's nice.
Bye.
Bye bye. 안녕히 계세요.
Bye.
It should just be you kissing the cat. No, but then what if a boy watches that video? No! What if a...